Polycom VVX 400 IP phone. The VVX 400 is a full-color, mid-range business media phone. It was designed with office workers in mind, featuring 12 lines and crystal-clear HD voice technology, as well as a built-in web server. This phone is powered via Power over Ethernet or with an optional PoE injector that can be purchased separately. Included with the VVX 400 is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. At Atlas Phones, you can purchase the Polycom VVX 400 like new, a refurbished option that offers you a great quality product for an even better price. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.